Hello guys, in this video I will try to show you what is a pivot. It is a line that it is made when you want to do day trading. Okay, so in order to do day trading, it means if you want to day trade, this is just a way, it's a way to trade in the day trading. Okay, most of the traders, professional traders, they use this. It's a very old way to do day trading, and there are some variations of this, but I will show you. Now you will see here that there are a lot of lines, and you try to understand what is this lines for. Okay, I will show you later how to calculate this pivot, support 1, support 2, and resistance 1, resistance 2. Now this, I just give you an example here. This is like Facebook. It's just an example. Now we try to look at this day here, which is the first green candlestick, in order to trade the next day. Okay, for example today is Monday and tomorrow is Tuesday. Okay, so when the day finishes, for example Monday finishes, the market closed, you make your setup for the next day. Okay, this is the pivot. It means if the stock opens after this, it means up. It means there is a possibility that the stock will go up in the whole day. Okay, so this is just an indication that it is a good day. Now the first resistance, if it reaches this line, it means that maybe the stock goes to the second resistance. Usually you can have 3. I will show you how to calculate all this stuff. Okay, here I'm just trying to explain what is it. Now suppose that the stock opens next morning, okay, higher than this pivot line. You have an idea that maybe the stock will go up the whole day. Okay, and since it's going up to the first resistance 51.60, so from 50.75, this is the pivot. Now the stock is going up until 51.60, and then when it passes this line, the first line is this line, you try to put here stop loss here, and then you wait and that the price will go up. If it reaches here, resistance 2, and goes up, you change your stop loss here just below this line in order to protect your profit. Okay, it's the same here. If the price goes, if the next day it opens down, you short the stock. Okay, you short it. It means you sell the shares, and you cover them later. So you sell the stock. If it reaches the first support and it goes down, it means that maybe this day the stock will go down more and more and more, and so you short, you put your cover here if it goes through this down, and you wait to the second support and it goes down. So this is just a setup of day trading. Most of the professionals, they use this. So why do they use this? Because there is no other way how to know how the stock goes up, where, and if it goes down, it goes to where. So this is just it's just a simple way to day trade. Okay, some people, they use only the resistance and support line, and some people, they use this setup. So this, most of the professionals, they use it. It's just a way to do day trading, because you should have something to rely on. It's not just you go and you buy and you sell and you don't know what you are doing in the day. So there should be a technical analysis system that people will follow. Okay, so this is the how to set up. As I told you before, for example, tomorrow will be Tuesday, okay, and today is Monday. So when the day ends, you take all the information of the day here, the high, the low, and the close, and you make these lines for tomorrow. Okay, all these lines are made from this first green. Okay, I will try to highlight this green here. You make your calculations, and then the next day you begin to trade. In the morning, 9:30, you put this pivot line into your chart. You put all this setup, and then you begin seeing what's going on in the market for Tuesday. Okay, and you trade accordingly. It means according to your plan. Okay, this is what most of the professionals do, and some they use resistance and support again. Okay, it's just to help to see where the price is going. Is it going up or is it going down? Okay, and this is always something that you can rely on. If sometimes the price goes up a little bit but it goes down, okay, under the pivot line, it means that the day will be on the low, so you should follow this and you short the stock. Okay, if it reaches this and it passes it, you short the stock and you put your stop loss here, you cover your stock, because maybe it goes up, you have some profit. This is what the professionals do for day trading. Okay, so let's see, let's go to the calculations. Let's see the calculations. Okay, these are the calculations that I show you. I show you the chart. This is the calculation. Now this is the pivot point. You take the high plus the close plus the low, all this sum up, divide by 3. This you will find the pivot line. Okay, the price where you put the line. Now the resistance number 1, which is up, you do 2 you multiply by pivot minus the low, you will find the resistance number 1. Now resistance number 2, you have the pivot plus resistance number 1 and support number 1, resistance 1 and support minus support 1. These are just calculations. Okay, so you calculate by yourself. You calculate the all these lines, or you can use there is a website that gives you that you give the high, the close, and the low, and it gives you all this stuff ready made. Okay, just to make it easy for you. Okay, so I will find the website and I will put a link, and there at least you will find it. Okay, so like support number 1, we have you multiply 2 by the pivot minus high. This is what you find the support line. Support line 2, you have the pivot minus resistance 1 minus support 1. Okay, this is just how to calculate. Okay, as I told you before, I will give you a link under, and when you click it, you will find the website. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.